In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a presentation with the help of AI. Just we need to type here Slidesco, and you can see there's a website slidesco.com. We just need to open this. You can see the AI presentation maker. Just click on this. Now you can see the get started. So just click on this. And now here we need to write a topic. Okay. So I'm going to just use here the cab booking app. Okay. And the written tone is you can just creative. And the language is I'm going to use the English, and number of slides I'm going to make it 7. Okay. So we can see you have options. Okay. So like colorful, geometric, professional. So I'm going to use here this one, professional living meeting, like this one. Let's click on the generate presentation, and we need to log in with our account, and it's done. And wait some seconds. Hold on. We are generating your presentation about cab booking app. And it's finally done. Here you can see this is the presentation. You have the content, okay? You have the app demo. You have some pictures. You have the content, safety or commitment. Oh, user-centric design. This is really amazing because we have generated 7 pages. So that generated the 7 slides for us. You can generate the multiple slides. You can change the color. You can add a lot of things. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.